My crazy friend.
It is 7:15 a.m. Friday, July 24th. Today we're heading up to the Cape. Very busy day ahead of us. Let's get the drone battery in. Unput the thing. Probably the last time I'll have to bring this bad boy out because I'm getting the Mavic Air 2 soon.
Okay, so we just arrived at our friend's beach house today. Obviously, we're still respecting social distancing guidelines, but right now the scenery right here is quite breathtaking. I'll definitely get the drone up sometime today so we can get a few nice aerial shots, but really nice scene, and the temperature's nice and cool too. Heading out for a bike ride now. Just finally had some time to settle in. We're going out on the bikes now and seeing what we can do. So see when we get there, biking over to a water hole. So we are here right now, and we have to get over here for the lakes. Hopefully, it's about 3 more miles of a bike ride. We should be there in about 15-20 minutes. I just arrived here at the lake. Really warm in the water. Sand's pretty nice. Too bad I didn't bring the drone, but still really nice and quiet. Awesome. And here's this weird kid doing weird stuff. Go subscribe to PewDiePie. Subscribe to Soccerman 1048.
1028, buddy.
1020, I don't know. Go subscribe to him.
Like, subscribe. You know what to do.
Yeah. I'll link it below. I just finished at the lake. We're gonna try to head back now quickly to the bayside, the ocean area, see if we can probably catch a good sunset for tonight with the drone. Hopefully we have good luck tonight. A bit cloudy though. I'm outside right now. Absolutely stunning sunset. Of course, though, the worst thing could happen to me right now. My drone, just the gimbal on the DJI Phantom 3 just shot all of a sudden, so I'm working really hard to fix it right now. I'm gonna be here for another day though, so hopefully the sunset's gonna be as good like this tomorrow. Currently time-lapsing it on here, so we're gonna see how that comes out as well. But I'm really sorry because the drone footage isn't gonna turn out as expected. But I mean, gosh, this is absolutely amazing. So at least we're getting some footage. Hopefully I can get the drone fixed soon though. Currently walking over to the beach right now. Sunset's still holding out for a little bit longer. Absolutely amazing. Hopefully I can get something else that's still pretty cool on the beach. Otherwise, hopefully tomorrow's sunset will still be on par with this one. Currently arriving on the beach right now. And wow. That's just breathtaking. I'm so mad the drone's broken, but even still, it's so great to even just to be able to record this sunset. Definitely something I would never want to miss. got off one of those. Awesome ride. Awesome time. Flash, two massive stripers over here. Oh wow, it's right there.
Right here, in front of you. I didn't see it. Where is it?
Maybe try to highlight a few on the when I edit it. Just going for a quick walk right now. Sorry I haven't been filming as much. It's been a pretty crazy day, and I've been out in the water, and I don't have an actual waterproof camera, so I had to be pretty careful and be mindful about what shots I'm taking so I don't destroy any of my equipment. But alright, so we're heading back now for dinner. My camera's super low.
It's pretty extreme. We go from like 6 inches to like 6 feet. It's crazy.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Somebody save him!